to merge your blackmuseums.org email address to your Gmail account. So first thing that I like to do is actually forward all of my @blackmuseums.org emails to my Gmail. So I'm going to sign back in and forward everything. So I have already added it, but I'm going to just show you how to do it again. So I'm going to do my Gmail account, add forwarder. So you should be fine. Then you should receive an email from cPanel that looks like this. Once you receive that email, you are good to go with having all of your stuff forwarded. But another thing that you need to do is actually go to all settings and go to accounts and import. And so we're going to look at sections, check mail from other accounts, and then send mail as. So we're going to do check mail from other accounts first. And so I'm going to add this @blackmuseums.org. Hit next, next. And so for the username, you have to actually spell out the email address and then type in your password. And then I personally like to keep the labels because I have a couple different email accounts coming through my Gmail. I just like to know where it's coming from. And then with the ports, there's not a good way. You kind of just have to guess and go through each one. So don't think there's something wrong with your password or your username. It's typically you just don't have the right port. So you just have to try and see what happens. So add account. Then you should get a green sign saying that your account has been added. And then from there, you're going to go to send mail as. So you're going to add another email address, type in the one that you want to add. So I'm adding my Camille at blackmuseums.org. Hit next. Again, you have to spell out your email address for the username. Type in password. And again, with the ports, you kind of just guess and see. So add account. And then from there, you will receive just have to wait for an email with the verification code. Let's see. So it shows up here, but again, I'm just going to see if I have the verification code yet. I'm going to try this old one to see if that works. Let's see. Nope. Okay, I just have to wait for the other one. So while I'm waiting for that, I'm going to go back to my settings, see all accounts and imports. So here's that email. Okay. So get your confirmation code, type it in, verify, and then you're going to go back to your see all settings, accounts and import, and you can actually make whatever account you want your default. So for my default, it is the @blackmuseums.org, but I have it coming from my Gmail account. So you can actually change the information in there if you want to. So you can change the name, where it's coming from. So that's totally up to you how you want to do that. But that's it. If you have any other questions, please reach out. And I hope everyone has a good rest of their night and week. Thanks, everyone.